Hey guys, Matt here from MJ Harris Group, and today we are at the original Mona place, but this time our focus is on the bathroom. Checking out the bathroom and laundry space after the completion of tiling and grouting, the space is really starting to come together. So our next part of the schedule is to install the joinery into this space. We're gonna have a large vanity basically cover this whole portion of the bathroom, have our washing machine sit under the bench, and then we're gonna have a shaving cabinet and some oak shelving complete the look. So the main component of the brief was to strike the correct balance between a bathroom space and actually the functionality of a laundry as well. To achieve this, we had to be really clever with how we designed the joinery, as well as making sure that it was cohesive with what we initially designed in the kitchen back in 2020. One of the main finishes that we have selected for the joinery here is a natural timber oak veneer. This was purely selected because that was a massive component of what we originally did in the kitchen space, and we've followed that through with the colour of the joinery and the profile of the joinery for the vanity unit. The colour of our tapware selection was also an important consideration. We've gone with the brushed gunmetal finish, selected from ABI Interiors, which offers an industrial edge that's slightly softened down for a more comfortable feel. The main statement piece for this bathroom has got to be the terracotta look tiles. Now these are actually porcelain imitations of the Moroccan handmade variety and are absolutely stunning. As was the case when we redesigned the kitchen space back in 2020, this bathroom was all about maximising the functionality of the space, where we place the washing machine, how that works with the vanity unit, and how we incorporate integral parts such as a bath and a shower into the space. Another one down at Mona Place, on to the next one, apartment number 3.